The Man and His Dog Friend. Once upon a time there was a man. His name was Ravi. Ravi lived in a small village. The village was quiet and beautiful. There were green trees and small houses. Ravi was a simple man. He worked on a farm. Every day he woke up early. He worked very hard, but he was lonely. Ravi had no family. He lived alone in a small house. At night, his house was very silent. He felt sad sometimes. He wanted a friend. One day, Ravi was walking on the road. The weather was cold. The sky was gray. Suddenly, he heard a small sound. Woof, woof. Ravi looked around. He saw a small dog. The dog was thin and dirty. It looked hungry and afraid. Ravi felt sad for the dog. He slowly went near it. He said, "Hello, little dog. Are you alone?" The dog looked at Ravi. Its eyes were big and soft. It moved its tail slowly. Ravi smiled. "Do you want food?" he asked. The dog barked softly. Ravi took the dog home. He gave it some milk and bread. The dog ate very fast. It was very hungry. After eating, the dog looked happy. It wagged its tail. Ravi laughed. He felt warm inside his heart. "I will call you Tommy," Ravi said. Tommy barked happily. From that day, Tommy lived with Ravi. Every morning, Ravi went to the farm. Tommy went with him. Tommy ran in the fields. He played near the trees. Ravi worked hard. Tommy sat near him. Sometimes Tommy chased birds. Sometimes he slept in the sun. Ravi was not lonely now. He talked to Tommy every day. "Tommy, you are my best friend," Ravi said. Tommy wagged his tail. At night, Tommy slept near Ravi's bed. The house was not silent anymore. Now it was full of life. One day it rained very hard. The wind was strong. The sky was dark. Ravi was working in the field. Suddenly, he slipped and fell. He hurt his leg. "Ah!" Ravi cried. Tommy heard him. Tommy ran to Ravi. He barked loudly. Ravi could not stand up. His leg was in pain. Tommy ran back to the village. He barked near the houses. He barked again and again. A kind man came outside. "Why are you barking?" he asked. Tommy ran and looked back. The man followed Tommy. Tommy took the man to Ravi. The villagers helped Ravi. They took him home. The doctor came. Ravi's leg was not broken, but he needed rest. Ravi looked at Tommy. "Thank you, my friend," he said softly. Tommy sat near Ravi all day. He did not leave him. He was a true friend. After some weeks, Ravi became better. He could walk again. Now Ravi and Tommy were very close. They understood each other. They did not need many words. Ravi was happy. Tommy was happy too. People in the village smiled when they saw them. They said, "Look, they are best friends." Ravi was not lonely anymore. He had a family now. His family was Tommy. The message of the story. A dog is not just an animal. A dog can be a true friend. Friendship is very important. Love and care make life beautiful. Ravi gave food and love to Tommy. Tommy gave loyalty and help to Ravi. They saved each other. They made each other happy. And they lived together for many years, happy and peaceful. The end.